Oh, oh, oh. He tried to fly away.
He did.
Yeah.
Oh, is he now in the water?
Yeah. He's right there by the rocks. Oh, there he is, there he is. Oh, there he is. Catch it, guys. Yeah. So that he's blinded. Yeah. It just went and buried itself.
Yeah. They kind of followed him in there, and now they're trying to get him out from underneath the rock. Ready to take me back?
No, not yet, no. It's her days off, so I just texted her because she knows all about birds, so. Oh, they got it. Awesome.
Flap around.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take them in, yeah. There's a cottage owner in the town site that actually works there. So I contacted him and he's gonna take it. Awesome.